Like a mother goose on her head. Hens. Do you notice I never get quotes right? Hey guys, it's Cheap Nails, where we're staying frugal with nail art. I don't know why I had to yell that. Why did that have to be so dramatic? I don't know. And I'm back with another I'm back with another polished story time. It's where I share a story with you about me and about like nail things and stuff that's happened to me, and it's all nail related, nail art related. Do you get it? I get it. She gets it. This story. I ate a giant sandwich before I filmed this. My mouth is sore. That's how big the sandwich was, because I was like, it was a giant sandwich, and it was really good. It had chips in it. So, anyways. And this polished story is about my scourging at the pillow, like my scourging nails. Remember I did it this past Easter? Click the I button if you want to see it. But finish listening to the story first. Anyway, so the story starts out, I'm going to tell you how I filmed. Okay, so I woke up that day and I had to film, as we know, the scourging nails tutorial. And I woke up so uninspired, and I didn't even want to film, but of course I was going to do it. But I just, ever get those days where you just feel like you just don't want to film? Like, I'm going to wake up and I just don't want to do it. So I began to start. I put out my paint and my nail polish and everything. And then I went to go set up my camera stand. Now, everybody, I use for my nail tutorials this camera stand. This blue one, this grippy one. I grip it on my desk, which is behind me, my desk. This is my desk behind me. I grip it on my desk, and then you put my camera on it, and I film my nails. But this was really annoying because my camera would not focus. And I know what you're thinking. At the time, I didn't have a camera with dual pixel autofocus, so it would not focus. It took me 2 years to focus it. So I got irritated because it took me 2 years to focus the camera because it was another camera I was using, and that's a whole nother story of why I was using that camera. But anyways, it would not focus. So I was already just mad at the thing would not focus. And then I'm trying to get my camera, these grippy things around my desk. And I'm like this, and I'm getting them all fixed up, and I'm like this, and it would not go right, and it breaks. And when it broke, I don't know if you can see it, but this camera stand has wire, like bendable wire, and it broke. Yeah, it broke on me. And when it broke, the wire hit my hand and cut it all up. The hand I was filming with. So I was like this, and then it broke and hit me like somewhere. Where was it again? I think it was like right here. So it cut me, and I was so mad because I couldn't get it to focus. I didn't have any inspiration to film. So I go out into the kitchen like this because my hand's cut because I cut it on my camera stand. And my mom's like, "What's wrong with your hand?" And I said, I was so mad I couldn't even say anything. I just couldn't, and that's all I said. I was like, I couldn't, because I was really mad at it. Because I had to go off and wash the blood off because I didn't want real blood being on the scourging nails, which I was supposed to put fake blood on it. Do you get this? Do you understand this? Stay with me, okay? Stay with me on this. And then, so I went and cleaned it. You know what my mom actually thought I said? She didn't say anything to me because she knew. She's like, "You burned yourself with the hot glue gun?" And I'm like, "No." Because I was so mad, I just said I cut myself, but my mom thought I burned myself with the hot glue gun. I don't know why. So she left and she's like, "She burned herself with a hot glue gun." And I'm like, I didn't burn myself with a hot glue gun. It was my camera stand. So then after all that, I came back in and my camera stand was broken. So I just tried to kind of stick this little thing together to get it to stick together just for me to finish filming. Because I just wanted to get it over with. I didn't want to come back to it. I just wanted to get it over with. So I'm sitting there, I'm trying to do it, and this is it. Okay, I got it to ow, it pinched me, ow. Anyways, I'm going to put this thing, I'm going to throw it out now. So, It was set up like this because I just got it just a makeshift stand up, and my camera was on it, and it was really annoying because it was like this. And then I had to push it up. And then I had to push it up. So yeah, my camera stand messing up. Okay, you know when you take a paintbrush, I didn't want to use acrylic paint for the blood. I wanted to use nail polish, okay? I got my brush, my little nail detail brush, the one I like doing, the only one that I like because it's the only one I've kind of learned how to use. And I got my nail polish, but if anybody knows if they put nail polish out or use nail polish, it dries really fast. So I have the paintbrush and the nail polish dried on it really quick, so I can't get so the nail polish kept drying up really quick. And I usually just like to pull it open, and then I had my paintbrush, and when you, oh cannolis, it's bad. I have my favorite paintbrush, and then it got dried on there, so every time I tried to do it, it was dry. And then I got more stuff, and then it dried. And then I wanted to clean off my brush, and I didn't have any acetone to clean off the brush that I was painting with, the dried nail polish that it dried on. Because by the time I fixed the camera stand, the nail polish was already dry. So I was having a terrible time trying to film. But long story short, I got the tutorial filmed, obviously, because I put it in the I button. I will put it in the I button. And my camera stand, how I fixed my camera stand, my brother drilled screws into it, see, to fix it. So that's how I fixed the camera stand, because it was broken. So this camera stand is not very good, because I had it for 3 months and two legs already broke off. Come on, what? So yeah. That is the end of the story. The end of the story is happy and good because I pushed through the problems and got the video done. So, guys, if you're ever having a hard day filming, editing, voiceovering, trust me, you are not the only one. So yeah, guys, I'm so glad that I pushed through the hard part of it and everything and got the video done because I think it turned out really good. And yeah, I'm happy with it. So guys, that's the end of the story. Tell me what you think down below, and if you liked it, give it a like. If you disliked it, then give it a dislike. But hopefully you won't, you'll like it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe down below if you want to see more of these videos and just me in general. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. You notice I touch my hair a lot? I'm like, do you notice that? What? I'm not gonna touch my hair. It's gonna be like this. I'm gonna put it like this and then not touch it. So anyways, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!